YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So welcome to the new week, dear friends, and we are going to see the reading for the coming week for all of our zodiac signs from Aries until Pisces, and this is going to be a timeless reading. And so whenever you happen to click on this link, from that particular day onwards, this reading is going to be applicable for you for say a time span of 7 to 10 days. So let us begin with the first zodiac sign of Aries, and let's see. So first of all, I want to talk over here, dear friends, and I want to say that the energy that I am sensing as I connected with the collective's energy is very, very anxious and very, very nervous energy, dear friends. That's what I'm sensing right now, because my own energy vibration was much better than I have, connected with the energy of the collective. So I will request everybody to please take that healing of the one we have on our YouTube channel, Most Powerful Healing to Release Anxiety, Stress and Fear-Based Energy. I'm going to put a link of that healing in the comment box as well in the description of this video, because what I am sensing is a lot of nervousness and anxiety. And dear friends, when we vibrate at the this level of low energy, we happen to manifest we happen to manifest as a law of attraction, low energy things towards us. So we need to vibrate high. And for this week, dear friends, Lord Ganesha has come here, and Lord Ganesha has come here and he is saying that I am going to enter the houses of everybody who clicks on this reading, and he is saying that I am going to bring sustainable health and abundance. Not that abundance is coming to you and health is coming to you, but it does not stay in your family. So with the coming of Ganesha, he says that I am going to sustain the health and abundance of the persons who come here for this reading. And especially, dear friends, if you happen to see the introduction and if you happen to hear this message is definitely for you and your family and your home. So let us now begin the reading for my Aries sign friends, and let's see how the coming week, dear angels, is going to be for my Arian friends. And last week we did see that something magical was about to manifest. Might be it manifested in their life, some kind of a destiny shift was there, something magical happened for them. And let's see, and they've given lot many cards to me, and let's see what are the energies. Okay. Wow, amazing, wonderful, loving it for you, loving it so much for you. So for my Aries friends, first of all, I want to say congratulate you for something that you were really wishing on, waiting on, and you have been very patient with yourself, and you have had a lot of strength. You were divinely connected to the universe. Goddess Parvati, they are telling me, and Goddess Sheravali Mata, and all of the divine feminine goddesses, Isis, Mother Gaia, Mother Kuan Yin. Might be you were taking some healings from these mothers, or might be with the blessing of your own mother, or there is a divine female around you who is like a mother or goddess to you. With the divine blessing of this person, you have been able to come out of these. I am sensing for many of my friends, either you were in isolation, you were suffering from COVID-19, or might be there was somebody around you. It can be COVID-19 situation, or it can be a situation of some other ailment that you were suffering, that you were isolated from your family, friends, and I see you coming out of being victorious in that condition, coming out of that, gaining your health, gaining your strength, your power, and you're now going to be with your family, your loved ones. Soul union is going to happen for you in this coming week. It is a brilliant, happy, fabulous time ahead for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well, my Aryan friends. And especially I want to say that your health or the health of some of your family member, it can be you or anyone else, is going to tremendously recover in the coming week. It is a wonderful celebratory time for you. So for my other friends who are seeking this reading for their job, career aspect, I want to say that you have been very strong in pursuing your goals, your projects, and might be you took an off in the last weeks to regain your energy, or might be there was a situation when you were not feeling well, so you were not interacting with your office staff, or you were away. And in the coming week I see that a lot of name, fame, recognition, a position of power might be in your company, in the job business somewhere. Expansion is going to happen, and the people you're going to connect with in your job, even if you had given an interview, or there was a project or a business opportunity you were seeking for. I'm so happy for my Aryan friends that this reading might take a bit long. So you are going to make soul connections, and around you, even the people who are working with you are having soul connections with you. It's a beautiful, fabulous time frame for you. I'm just loving it for you so much. Expansion. And I see that Leo, Aries or Sagittarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person is evident around you, who has helped you in some kind of manifestation also for you. And the month of May, they want to highlight over here, might be something happened in the month of May. We are in the month of May, and might be if you are feeling that when is your health going to recover, or when is this opportunity of success, name, fame, recognition going to come to you. It all is going to happen for you, dear friends, in the month of May 2021 only. And as well, for others of my friends who are spiritual in nature, I feel that because you were doing your meditations, you secluded yourself, you took time for your healings, now you are getting a lot of recognition. If you have a Facebook, Instagram page, or a YouTube channel wherein you're giving your readings, or you're doing your healings, I see a lot of success, name, fame, recognition. Might be your subscribers also increase. For some of my friends who are seeking this for love and marriage, yes, definitely. If you were in contact with a partner who was not responding to you, or there was no communication situation for some reason, and you have been very strong giving compassion, love and marriage is ahead for you. So very beautiful, blissful time. If you had marriage and expansion on your mind, that is about to manifest for you in the coming week. Very beautiful, blissful week ahead for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well, dear friends. I am just feeling so happy for you. Okay, let's see. Happiness awaits you, dear friends. Wow. And this reading is more time, it's taking more time, and they say pay attention to your work. So in your work area, if you had taken off, now it is time to pay attention to your work. Get back to your work now. Name, fame, recognition, and success and promotions and upgrade is coming in your work also. And they say, what do you desire? Now angels are so well connected with you. I feel all of you were taking healing from our YouTube channel, and big time healing has come to you. You have been able to release the negative blockages. So they say you now have the opportunity to write the script according to your heart's true desire. Wow! Once you clearly decide upon your true desires and know that you're ready and deserving of them, they'll rush into your life as if by magic. Wow, my dear friends, so much of wonderful confirmations from divine for you, and Lord Ganesha is blessing you with a sustainable health and sustainable abundance in your life, and you may keep continuing with your healings because you know they are doing wonders in your life. Lots of love and best wishes. Let's move on to our next zodiac sign. Really happy to see the reading for my Aries friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Taurian friends. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Taurian friends. Coming week for my Taurian friends. Okay, if health was your concern, your health, your brother's health, your parents' health, your children's health, in the coming week I feel that you know health of a person whose health was a concern, and might be this person you want to check their COVID tests also. Might be it's for your own health that you're feeling and you have just escaped. Somehow you have managed to escape the widespread of COVID, and so I'd say that you or the health of your loved one is safe. Okay, let's see. Okay, so yes, I feel that you know might be your child is on your mind, and you feel that you know, is my child safe, is my child's health safe, or might be your own health, and somebody around you, you have a health concern definitely on your mind, and I'm telling you right away that you know you are safe, you are protected. And for others of my friends who are seeking this for love and relationship, I see that a younger person around you is going to approach you. There is going to be some kind of a communication with a person around you, but you know, and I feel that you want to explore this love, you want to explore this person, but something around this person makes me feel that you know there is some kind of a deception, or might be you know, either you have a deception, you are not showing your true self to this person, or might be this person is not showing their true face to you. So there can be some kind of a deception or a cheating in the kind of communication that is happening. And even if it is a scenario wherein you have got a phone call or an email or a text regarding an opportunity of financial benefit, job offer, this is for people who are seeking this for career. I feel that you know go through the do a check regarding the authenticity of this offer that is coming to you. Might be the person who is approaching you is more casual in nature, and there can be some kind of a deception around this. So in the coming week I sense that you know there is a person around you from whom you want to you know you want to avoid a person or a situation which becomes very stressful for you. I see the zodiac signs of Libra, Cancer, Gemini, Aquarius, and earth sign people also, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo people around you, and might be a younger person around you. You want to avoid this person. Can be a fire sign person, can be a Leo, Sagittarius, or Aries. Might be this person is immature in nature, even if they are not younger to you, they are immature in nature. So it is possible that you want to avoid this person. In some of my friends in their relationships, I feel if they are married, they can There can be a situation of you spying on your partner, or your partner is spying on you. Maybe, you know, some kind of that kind of a situation happens wherein you read a certain text and you feel that, you know, where is the stability of my marriage and relationship, and why is my partner cheating on me? Some kind of such kind of an energy around. There is somebody around you who is cheating, lying, or decepting to you, or might be there is a warning of a theft happening in this week for some of my friends. There is a person around you who is slowly kind of, you know, making some small thefts around you. So be careful, see who are these young people around you and check on them. It is also possible that your child is getting in this habit of, you know, picking up things from home or doing something of the sort. So you need to take care of that situation also. So in the start of the week until mid of the week, I see you working very diligently. I see you paying good attention to your health, your work routines, your home routines, everything. And from the mid of the week towards the end, I see that, you know, you are not in your mental peace. There is some situation that has happened. You want to avoid that situation. You don't want to interact with a certain person or a certain situation around you. That's what I feel. October, the month of October is evident here, dear friends. You know better how you can relate to it, and they say new home, new attitude. So it is possible that you are building on a home, and that home construction, people who are working there, be careful that, you know, they might be, you know, stealing a few things. So you have to be careful with your investments, that, you know, pay attention to the construction part of your home. There is a new project that's going on, and you should be careful as to, you know, people who are working there. Even in your home scenario, some of you are manifesting a new home, so you're moving away from chaotic times, or might be, you know, situations of jobs are also such that you are moving away to a new home, or something like that. Or might be you're cleaning your home in this week, and then they say see only love. So if there is a situation of suspicion around you, so, you know, it can be that, you know, your partner was chatting with somebody and a mild, you know, chit chat was happening, but they say that, you know, the angels say see only love. So they say look past the seeming errors, mistakes and misunderstandings, and see only the love within each other, including yourself. Your resolute focus upon the love that underlines every situation brings about healing in undreamed of ways. Okay, so whatever the situation around you is, that somebody is, you realize that somebody is cheating on you, or might be your maid, or might be your child. So don't be very offensive. Try to explain the situation with love. Okay, so I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. This is not a very good time for any investment. I'd say avoid any kind of investment. There is chances of, if you are planning to invest in something, there are chances of deception and theft happening in the coming week. So be aware of that. Lots of love and best wishes to my Taurian friends. Let's move on to our next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Gemini, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Gemini friends. So last week I did sense that the energy was a bit turbulent around our Gemini friends. There was a lot of up down happening, and they were, you know, okay, so the card has come reversed. So I feel that, you know, some of you are releasing your stresses as you are taking healings from our YouTube channel. You are able to release the blockages from your body which were making you feel so much stressed in past. And the situation, okay, with the Wheel of Fortune, it's a very good week for you. I feel that there was a situation around you Might be with regard to your parent, because I see an old man here and a child. It can be with regard to your parent, or it can be with regard to your child. And in this situation, I feel that you were feeling very, very helpless and blocked from past many days, and in the coming week I feel that whatever blocked energies were there, you took healings and you happen to release them from your body as well. You happen to heal the person around you who was suffering a lot in their health. Might be your parent was suffering from COVID-19 or some other ailment, and you were really very stressed about them, or might be your child, some kind of a relationship, or might be there was some thing new that you wanted to pursue in your life, some freedom you were looking for, but there were a lot of blockages in your body that you were going through, and you needed to release these blockages, and so you took the healings and you happen to release yourself. So in the coming week there's going to be a destiny shift wherein you're going to feel that a lot of freedom has come towards you and luck is by your side, and you are going to feel a big sigh of relief in the coming week. Something is going to happen for you which is going to be very lucky, a good opportune moment for you. For some of you who are seeing this reading for their office, their career, their business, professions, I can say that I feel that you are ending you were very burdened in past, and you are ending a project or a cycle, and now you feel free. You are free from this project, this cycle, whatever you were doing, wherein you were feeling very, very suffocated, choked and blocked. That might be a new opportunity has come towards you, or might be you have been recognized, so some kind of a financial benefit has also come towards you. And so I see good luck happening in the coming week. So they say dolphin. Yes, exactly. So financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past. So whatever hard work you were doing for whatever work, business project, and you see a financial gain coming for that for you. And if you are a spiritual healer, a card reader, and you were really giving healings to other people around you to bring them out of their blockages, and in the process you felt very a lot of negativity that was attracted in your chakras, in this week there is going to be a release of this blockage, and you're also going to be paid for your services. Bread, wow, period of prosperity and abundance. So this is a very, very beautiful time frame for my Gemini friends. So something is absolutely turning around for you, and there's a lot of success, prosperity, abundance, money coming to you, fulfillment, joy, happy times, good luck, lottery wins, heredity money. Something very good is going to happen for you in the coming week. You can expect good luck for you, good health for you. Lot of blockages have been removed, and if you keep continuing to take the healings, they will be removed further and furthermore. Lord Ganesha is coming to you to bless you in your home with sustainable health and sustainable abundance. Very beautiful week for you, and joy is coming for you. You've managed to open your heart and mind to to invite the energy of joy towards you. Very beautiful. So they say joy is the highest energy of all. It's the magical sense that everything is possible. Joy springs from appreciating the gifts within each moment. Joy allows you to attract and create your present and future moments at their highest possible levels. Wow. So enjoy this opportune period for you, dear friends. It is also possible that you're traveling in the coming week. Some kind of a travel plan you're making, or you're traveling, or you were looking for this opportunity. Something clicks in your favor. All in all, it's a very opportune time for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well, dear friends. You've happened to unblock your mind, body and soul, and so you're manifesting good things for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. I'm very happy for my Gemini friends. And let's move on to our Cancerian friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Cancer friends. So for my Cancerian friends, I was happy that the last week was a destiny shift for them. Their health was good as well. I feel that something very lucky happened for them in the last week. And let's see how the energies are for the coming week for my Gemini friends. They are very moody in nature. So let's see, are they sustaining the same energies? Okay, 9 of Wands. Something that you're very defensive about, you're protective about, and you have been doing a lot of hard work. So in the coming week, I feel that there is going to be a lot of work for you. There is going to be a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius sign person around you. Many cards, many cards. So let's see. Okay, so many people are turning up in your reading, Cancerian friends. Okay, let's see. So let's just take one more card out of these. And so I feel that you have been fighting a lot, many battles. Might be you or somebody around you had a problem with their health. It can be a COVID-19 situation wherein they were suffering a lot on their health, especially their bones. And I feel that okay, let's see. So I feel that there are a few people around you who are very evident for you in the coming week. First of all, I say that an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius sign person is very evident in the coming week for you. Now this person can be your father, your boss, your mother, somebody who is in an authoritative position, that kind of a person, or might be this person holds some kind of authority on you. So that kind of a person is around you or on your mind. And I see that you are you're very defensive about this person, or this person is very defensive towards you. And what has been happening, that you've been doing a lot of hard work in this relationship, and you've not been giving up on them, and you standing your ground, saying your things rightly, whatever you wanted to express to them, and not giving up on them. And now in the coming week, there is going to be a middle person. Now this person can be a lawyer, a doctor. This person is a middle person who is going to give you the clarity on this situation. This person can be a healer also. This person can be another person in an authoritative position in your company. You're seeking it for job. So this person can be a Libra, Gemini, or an Aquarius person who is now bringing you a lot of clarity in this situation that you were very defensive about, that you were working on from very long for yourself or for somebody around you. And so some kind of a clarity is going to come. For some of my friends in the health situation, if somebody in your family was suffering in health, I feel that there are going to be some tests that are going to be conducted for their health, and in these tests we are going to see their results. You are going to see their results in the coming week, and so the clarity on the results is going to come in the coming week. That was the health perspective. So I am sensing that the health of the person that you're seeking for is going to be good. That's what I feel, I sense. Okay, so that's the health aspect. And now I want to talk about the job, career, and aspect. So if there was something that you always wanted in your job, like a position, like an opportunity of growth, or an elevation in your position, so I feel that there is going to be a middle person. And now this middle person can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or this person can be Libra, Gemini, or Aquarius. And this person you are going to approach, who is going to stand there for you and give you a clarity of your situation, that look, you are desiring this and this is the situation, and I am giving you a clarity if this can manifest for you or not. And I somehow feel that this person is going to help you out in this situation. So 9, 10, I feel that a Sagittarius person is going to be evident for you, and I feel that a lot of balance and healing is going to come in the coming week for you. And okay, so now I am going to read the cards for people who are seeing it for relationship scenario. For a relationship scenario, I feel that you were stuck on a person from very long and you were not giving up on a relationship, and in the coming week there is going to be a middle person, can be your father, person in a position of authority, or a lawyer, or somebody, or your father-in-law, who gives you a clarity that this relationship is going to head like this. Or might be you yourself become very clear-headed and you put your terms and conditions in front of this person who is more authoritative, or who tries to show authority to you, that I want this from this relationship. Okay, I see financial gain, abundance, stability, security coming towards my Cancerian friends in the coming week. Now let's see your guidance messages. So there is a dealing with a dark man. I feel that this King of Swords or this Emperor, the position in authority, or the position, somebody who is a guide, is a dark man in complexion. They say dealing or relationship with a man with dark complexion or hair. Yes, this person is going to be evident for you. I feel that this person can be somebody who gives you a clear perspective of your situation, and the family matters are going to be the highlight for you in the coming week, my dear Cancerian friends. And we have another card over here. Wow, amazing. And we see a boat. So for some of my friends, if you were absolutely looking for an opportunity to travel through your job career expansion, you can have a discussion with a person who is might be of dark complexion, or he has dark hair, and who is in an authoritative position. He can give you clarity about this situation. And for my other friends, they say money or prosperity through an inheritance. Wow. So I feel that your father, your father-in-law, somebody, there can be an involvement of a lawyer also over here. Somebody who is a lawyer also can bring you some kind of an inheritance, winning, or a windfall. Wow, what a blessed time for my Cancer friends. So some kind of a inheritance, might be your father, your grandfather, or your father-in-law is giving you some blessings, or you're winning, or might be a windfall gain, or might be some position of authorities coming towards you. And here also with the seahorse, I feel that water, sea. So for some of you, there is absolutely an opportunity to be near water or go to another city, state, or a country. And for some of you, there is I feel that your sacral chakra needs healing with the water, so that you become more flexible and go with the flow. Relationships. So it is a week of relationships for some of my Cancerian friends. This is more on the relationship, and there's going to be a relationship healing in the coming week. This can be your brother also. So they say your primary relationship is with yourself and God. Wow. And every other relationship follows from there. To attract, heal, and balance a relationship, then snuggle more closely with your loving creator. As you feel safe and loved within, so shall your other relationships bloom and prosper. So this card clearly tells me that it is time for you to give your self-love first. It's a time for self-love and create that position for yourself that nobody is able to dictate terms for you, my Cancerian friends. You should be having clarity of mind and clarity of speech. What you want to say in your relationships, it can be in any area of your life. It can be in your love relationships, it can be in your partnerships, in your businesses, in your work area. You need to love yourself to understand that you're deserving enough of what you're asking for. And once you feel that you are deserving enough of, you leave the doubts about yourself and you give yourself worth, you are going to manifest these opportunities of abundance, love, compassion from other people also in your life. So it's a major week for you. I feel that family matters and relationships are going to be significant for you. Some kind of a healing is going to happen, I feel. So it's a blissful week, and be careful with your communications and be clear with your communications. Do not fear. Leave the fear behind. Lots of love and best wishes to my Cancerian friends. Wish you all the best, and let's move on to my Leo friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Leo friends. So let's see for our Leo friends, dear angels, how the coming week is going to be. So Leo people are showing up in everybody's reading. So a lot is happening around Leo people. I feel that for the reading of many, see the fire signs are there in the reading of many other friends and zodiac signs. So let's see. Okay, so there was a situation around my Leo friends wherein they were fighting for themselves. They were very defensive. For some of my Leo friends, definitely. First, I'll read it for the health, because health is very important right now with the COVID-19 spread. Health is wealth, dear friends. We all have realized that nothing matters more than health. So I feel that in the last week for my Leo friends, either for themselves or for a person around them, can be a Capricorn or a Sagittarius, Aries, or a Leo sign person only. They have felt very suffocated in their energies. Might be they were going through a lot of challenges in their body. There was a lot of negative blockages, might be in their body or around the person around them, and so there was a situation that this person was really struggling in health. So in the coming week, I feel that there is going to be some kind of a relaxing news that is going to come towards you with regard to their health. And in the coming week, with regard to the health of the person, I can say that you have to pay more attention to your heart health or the health of the heart of the other person. It can be that the other person has got affected with the COVID-19 infection, and in that case you need to take the healings from our YouTube channel, and we have made a list of 10 to 11 healings for COVID-19, and in those healings we have incorporated healings for the heart chakra. Especially over here, I see that the inner child healing is needed for that person, and the scarcity mindset healing. Those healings are really going to help the person who is suffering in their health. So that's the first thing, to bring balance in their energies. The second thing that I want to read over here for my Leo friends is, if you're seeking this for love and relationship, I feel that you were really defensive about a situation wherein you were feeling choked and held back. It can be a relationship with a Piscean, Cancer, Scorpion person, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Capricorn person. And in the last week, I feel that you have still been fighting for this person, and you have been defensive also. Some of the times you were wishing for some kind of a passion also to happen with this person, but you felt some kind of blockage, chokeness, as if something is not happening for you, that kind of an energy around you. And so in the coming week, I feel that some kind of a communication is going to happen, and there is going to be a news, an offer, but you are going to be discontented with this offer. Like, you are going to be like, this is not the offer I wanted from you. You have infatuation on me, I have infatuation on we are like lovers, we are soulmate connections, but then you are always bored and jaded with life, you're not giving me positive responses. That kind of a situation with a Leo person, wherein for their Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean partner, or an air sign partner, they are feeling that why they don't want to discover this relationship, why they don't want to be equally active towards me. Or there is a possibility that the partner that you're seeking is having some kind of a problem in their family. Might be a member of their family is suffering in health, and so they are not actively participating with you with the kind of response that you are looking from them. So in the coming week, I feel that the beginning of the week, your energy is going to be good. There is going to be communication, there is going to be to and fro of energy. Say Monday, Tuesday, even this person can be younger to you in age. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I feel that you need to give a lot of gratitude to the universe, that God, universe, and angels are saying that still there is an offer, but you feel discontent. But be grateful to divine, God, universe. The more you're going to be grateful, the more you're going to attract this love and passion towards you, this person towards you. And from say Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I see that some offer of soulful joy is coming towards you. You're again coming back into your childlike energy, you're flirtatious, you're happy. So that kind of energy, so kind of a balance is coming. For some of my friends, there are opportunities. So that's kind of for the relationship scenario. I see love being a highlight for many of my friends. They're looking for some kind of surprise or soulful joy, and some kind of a communication is going to happen. And I feel that in the mid of the week, you will feel that this, over here they say situation in the balance that require careful handling. So some kind of a communication that requires careful handling also on your part. Then for people who were seeking job, career, business advancement, I feel that they were stuck in a place, or in a profession, or a business, or in a partnership that was not good for them. So they are now wishing to move to another career for them. And there is going to be some kind of a communication that is going to come for you, but you are going to feel that it's not as what I had expected, it's not that good offer. But the divine says that this offer is going to turn around to be more than your expectation. A surprise element is there for you, and they say plenty of material things. So it is going to be an abundant week for you. And also over here, I feel that you have been guided to have more fruits to raise your vibration. So be very careful of what you are eating. For some of my friends, the week is related to their children. I feel that there is some kind of discontent. There is some kind of a news that they're waiting for their child, might be with regard to the health of their child, and healing is coming. Stability in their chakras will come, and healing will come for their child in the coming week. For spiritual people, I feel that they need to raise their vibrations. They need to be more thankful to the divine and open their heart chakra. So from the healing perspective, I'd say that you are going to be more energized the more you open your heart chakra and your sacral chakra, and the more gratitude you have for the universe, God, you're going to manifest this love, abundance, peace, opportunities into your life. And listen, dear friends. So this is the message for you from divine. So they say, quiet your mind, beloved one, and listen to our gentle reassurance that everything has been taken care of. Stay in a quiet and receptive state without worrying about the exact nature of your desire's manifestation. A quiet mind and body hears us quickly and clearly. This is our request to you. Listen. So you are being guided from the divine to, do some meditations, take some time off, listen to the divine, take some healings, do some prayers and connect. Be silent in this week and listen to your intuition, listen to the divine guidance. All in all, I can just say that, whatever you were fighting for, whatever blockages were there are being released, and there is a big assurance coming to you from the divine universe that, everything is safe and under control. It's just that, you wanted your relationship or your career or your health to manifest in a certain way, but it is going to happen for you in a different plan that the universe has for you. So be hopeful. I wish you all the best. There is nothing wrong in the week. The week ahead is positive for you. Listen to the divine guidance. Wishing you all the best. And now we're going to move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Virgo, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Virgo friends. So I'm doing deep breathing, and I recommend all of my Virgo friends to keep doing deep breathing, because deep breathing is really going to help my Virgo friends, as I feel in the last week there was a lot of healing coming towards them, and there was a kind of an energy of freedom, relaxation, something new that was happening for them. Wow! Loving it for you, loving it for you, loving it for you. Wow. So my Virgo friends have, oh wow, amazing. Yeah, amazing, amazing, amazing. No words. So my Virgo friends were releasing a lot from their body, because they my Virgo friends take a lot of guidance from card readers. I feel that on my Healing Souls YouTube channel, the number one zodiac sign which comes for consultation is Virgo, and they are quite rigid in their energies, and they do not believe much. They are, even after telling them again and again that this will happen for you, that will happen for you, they have a rigid kind of a mindset at times. They are more practical. So I want to say that, in the past weeks you have been releasing a lot. Might be you were this time you listened to my guidance and you took the healings and you were releasing a lot of negativity from your chakras. Some of you have even managed to release your big ego also. And so in the last weeks I feel that you were crying, you were releasing. There was a lot of blockages that have been released from your body. And a lot of balance has come in your chakras, and now you are absolutely connected to the divine. Some of you have become like angels only, completely connected. Your crown chakra is opening and you're absolutely with the divine. You have become very spiritual person now, and you're guiding other people also. So I feel that there was such kind of an energy of release around you. For some of my friends there was literal kind of a release happening in their body, and for some of my friends a chapter in their life has closed, something has ended, and that end there was some shedding of tears, some remorsing with something that ended. It is also possible that a Sagittarius person was evident around you, or somebody lost Scorpio, Sagittarius, Piscean person, Cancer person, something of the sort happened, and so that can be a scenario for some people. In the coming week the energies are so beautiful for my Virgo friends. What to say? First thing that I notice is that your health. So Wheel of Fortune turning around for your health. A lot of stability is coming in your health, and now you are being blessed by Mother Gaia, Mother Earth, and your lower chakras are being healed. Last week there was a channel message from the mothers that came for you especially, and if you've happened to heal your lower chakras, I see a lot of abundance of number one, health coming towards you. So a lot of stability in your health. Then the next thing that I want to highlight over here is that you are in your full manifestation power now, and especially I want to pick these cards up and show it over here to you, which they highlighted to me. This is number 9 and this is number 10. So this is like absolute completion of a cycle that you were taking healings and you felt a lack might be in your life, and for some of you I feel that you felt lack of independence, financial independence, or might be there was everything in your life but love was missing. So that lack is going to overcome. A destiny shift is going to happen for you. So I see a lot of money coming for you in the coming week. Somehow this money is going to turn around in your favor. Something is going to happen. Might be there is scenario of something that ended in your family, and that is bringing you some kind of financial benefit. And I see you looking so beautiful. You have started giving yourself love, and so you started giving yourself love, and so you become like this woman. She is enjoying in her garden. She has everything. She is living a luxurious life. She is financially independent. So a lot of money is also going to come towards you. Name, fame, recognition, and abundance is going to come towards you. And with the Wheel of Fortune, definitely I count money, luck, destiny shifting in your favor. So something very lucky is going to happen for you in this week, and you have to come down and write it down in the message below what happened for you, my Virgo friends. And you're very secretive also. I know so many of Virgo friends are there on my Healing Souls page, but they'll never come and comment down here. So I want comments this time. And another thing, if you were looking for if you had you're looking for this reading for your career, job, spirituality, something profession, I feel that a new opportunity is going to come towards you, which you feel is you can manifest it for you, and that's a destiny shift, a new career opportunity. I feel that for you can bring you some kind of they say online name and fame, they are telling me, and if you pursue this can bring you more abundance also for you. They say great worry over nothing. So in past I feel that you had great worry over nothing, and now in this week good luck is going to turn in your favor, and they say seek out information that will help you. So in order to manifest these big changes in your life, if you need assistance, then you can seek out information. And I see a Taurus, Capricorn and a Virgo sign person and a Sagittarius sign person is very very evident. Might be a Scorpio Sagittarius person is very evident, and some big shift is happening with regard to them. And so health is perfect, a lot of money coming towards you, financial freedom, good looking good, energized, good opportunities of expansion, love manifesting for some of my friends, blessing in disguise. Wow. So I feel that all that you had to release from your body is being released in the coming week, and that's a blessing for you in disguise. So they say what appears to be a problem is actually part of your answered prayer. So something you asked for has been answered now. You will understand the reason behind your present situation as everything resolves, and that's going to resolve in this coming week. Trust in heaven's protection and infinite wisdom to answer your prayer in the best way. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing. Loved it for you, my Virgo friends. Please enjoy yourself, your luxury, your independence, your happiness that is coming because of the release. And please, you can now start to take those healings of abundance and big happy changes. Those healings can, further, elevate your infinite abundance, and the most powerful healing for career advancement and abundance and big happy changes. Now you start taking those healings because your energy is released and clear now, and so you manifest abundance for you. Very, very nice time frame. Happy time. So happy time for my Virgo friends, and let's move on to our Libra friends. So for my Libran friends, last week we saw that the energies were up and down, and they had a concern with regard to might be their health or the health of a person around them, and there were concerns that there were some low energy vibrations. And let's see how the coming week. So the first card they give me is of healing. So they say that if there were concerns, a lot of healing is coming for my Libran friends, and those chaotic times, those struggles, those difficulties, those obstacles are behind you now. And they are saying that yes, there is going to be a middle person also who is giving you these healings, or might be you're taking these healings, and this person is a Libra, Gemini, Capricorn person. Wow, amazing. Yeah, beautiful week for my Libran friends. Wow. So a chapter has ended in your life, or it is going to end in your life in the coming week. There was a person, yes, definitely an Aries, Capricorn, or Libra, Gemini, Aquarius sign person around you, on your mind, might be. For some of my friends, absolutely, I feel that there was somebody in their family or friend circle, might be, who were really, really suffering in their health, and they have been able to advance to the other side of the world, that is heaven. And because they were really suffering in their health, might be they were in isolation for a time frame. Some of them can be suffering from COVID-19 also, or might be something destructive happened in their health, and so they were feeling very choked in their body, and so their soul has been released. For some of my other friends, there was a scenario that I am having a lot of headache. As I am doing this reading, I am having a lot of headache. So I feel that something happened for a Libra person who is listening to this, or might be happened to them, or might be happened to a person around them who somehow ruptured their head, or some accident happened, or something happened which gave them a lot of headache. Might be some of you took some COVID-19 vaccinations, or some of you are suffering from some kind of headache in the last week, and you approached a doctor also, and a healer who is helping you come out of this situation, which is causing you a lot of pain in your third eye, your crown chakra, your headaches. And for some of my friends who are healer or were taking healings from our YouTube channel, I feel that your crown chakra and your third eye chakra is being healed, and the pain that you felt in your body and your third eye chakra and crown chakra, your head, that was the release of the negative blockages from this chakra, because you are moving on to a new life chapter now. So there is going to be a move into a new life chapter, which can bring a lot of freedom they are saying, and wisdom towards you. For some of my Libran friends, this is another week of keeping in isolation. Might be you are suffering from corona, or you are being asked to stay in isolation from your family. So say for a period of 6 days you are going to be in isolation, or some of your family member is in isolation, and there is healing going on. It's a period of healing. It's a heavy energy of the last week. Some of you have just managed to escape from COVID-19. Some of you got COVID-19. Some of your family members got COVID-19, something of sort. Very heavy energy that I'm sensing, but in the coming week I feel that a lot of healing and movement. So okay, for now I'm going to take it from career, business perspective, or your profession perspective. For some of my friends, there is an absolute change in your business career line that you are seeking. I feel that you're looking for an opportunity to move to another city, state, or a country now, and there is going to be a middle person, and this middle person is going to be an Aries, Capricorn, or a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person who is going to help you in the manifestation of this desire for you in the coming week. And for some of my friends, you are absolutely thinking of changing your line of career, and that is going to happen for you in the coming week. And if you were wishing for a completion of a project or a business project or work, that is also going to happen for you. There are soothing times in the coming week ahead for you. For a relationship scenario, I feel that something absolutely went wrong in your relationship, and in the last week there can be fights. There can be a person around you who was asking for a lot of clarity in the relationship, and a lot of fights happening in the home or destructive scenario. And in the coming week I feel that there is going to be healing. There is going to be a middle person who is going to bring either a closure to this relationship or a reconciliation. A new growth, a new chapter is going to begin. So we have a card of scales over here. I feel a Libra person, in a Libra's reading, a Libra person is important, or you are being asked to balance yourself. They say keep your life in balance, and I feel a lawyer can be around you who brings justice in whatever. So you're being asked to keep balance in your life. So eat in moderation as well, in your communications, be very balanced. Cobweb, protected from negative forces beyond your control. Wow, this is amazing. So my Libra friends are protected from negative forces beyond your control. Yes, I was feeling that there is a lot of healing that is coming towards you. If it is with regard to the educative program for your child that you are seeing online, go for it. Yes, I feel that there is a next stage that is approaching you. Might be you are wishing for planning for a second child, or planning for an education of your child abroad, or might be you yourself are planning some kind of a move. I see a lot of water energy, and I feel that your sacral chakra needs healing. Acceptance. So whatever situation is happening around you, you need to accept and go with the flow. Yes, with this water and the flow and the sacral chakra orange, we got an orange here. I feel that divine mothers will bless you, and you need sacral chakra healing. You can take it from our YouTube channel to be more flexible with this new change that is coming in your life. There is a closure of a chapter and a new one beginning, which can bring you more recognition in this world. Acceptance, they say, see yourself and others through the eyes of angels. even coughing, I feel that, along with the sacral chakra, you need throat chakra healing also. With unconditional love and acceptance, in this way you inspire and lift everyone in their highest potential. So accept everyone just the way they are and come out of these destructive energies which are around you, and you are healing definitely. I feel that, something ahead of you is going to be bringing you to a new chapter, a new energy in your body. Success, name, fame, recognition is ahead for you, and if you were doing something online, that can go expansive for you in the coming week. So lots of love and best wishes for my Libran friends. So let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Scorpio, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Scorpion friends. In the last week, for my Scorpion friends, we did see that, might be there was a person around them who was suffering from COVID-19 or an isolation situation. And there were two females who were becoming evident in their reading in the last week. And a scenario around their home, might be travel or something of the sorts was there. And the coming week is very auspicious for my Scorpion friends, as I feel that, they will be finally out of the stress condition that was there. Okay, so I feel that, somebody was in you were in a hanged man position. You were in a position held back on somebody, might be who was detected with COVID-19, or might be you were not detected. You somehow managed to escape the massive spread of COVID-19, or might be somebody around you was detected, but a little bit of infection. They were infected and they are not massively infected. This is the health scenario, I feel, and so you were stuck on this person, I feel that there was a condition of some kind of an isolation or low energies that you were really stressed in your mind, body and soul. Even in the coming week, I feel that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you are doing a lot of negative thinking. You're very, very stressed. Might be you're having headaches only, or the person around you is very stressed, is going through a lot of body aches and headaches. And from Thursday, Wednesday, they want to include Wednesday, mid of Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you are reuniting with your family and the opportunity of soulful joy, happiness back into your energies, overwhelming emotions of happiness you experience. So I want to say that many messages are coming over here. For some of my friends, I also feel that might be you took your COVID-19 vaccination, and because of that vaccination you were suffering in your health. And I see the card of cleanse and detox over here. I feel that you or the person around you needs some kind of cleansing and detoxification, and in that case I can say that the healing that is there on my YouTube channel, where the one for cleanse, detox and ground yourself, that's 11 12 minute healing only. You can take that one, or you can take the other one that I made, an expansive one on the scarcity removal. That one is also going to give you a lot of detoxing and cleansing of your energy. So you or the person around you needs a lot of detoxification, cleansing of energy, or might be your home also requires this kind of detoxification and cleansing of energy. Might be because somebody in the home is suffering or has suffered the infection, so there is a need of the cleansing of the energy of home also. Okay, so then I see that the zodiac signs, of course, of Cancer, Piscean, Scorpion, and the many zodiac signs. I see Taurus also, I see Libra, Gemini, Aquarius also, Aries also being evident for you in the coming week. And so yes, so the start of week I see you stressed, so you're being asked to work on your energies. So this is what I feel health wise. And if this was a scenario wherein you're looking this reading for your career, business perspective, I feel that there was an opportunity of expansion or a work that you were looking for. You were looking for some kind of a communication to happen for you for this job, or might be you wanted to make a move from your company and you were waiting for some kind of a letter that they give me some kind of financial benefit and I make this move, or some kind of a documentation also you were waiting for. And the initial 3 days I see you're very very stressed, and then this good news comes to you, and this good news is bringing you a lot of soulful joy. It can be an opportunity of travel also, can be an opportunity of a new job manifesting for you. And here also I want to say, show these cards to you and say this is 9 and this is 10, dear friends. So I feel you need to cleanse your energy or the energy of the person around you. So with the healings or the cleansing of the energy, this person is absolutely going to shift themselves. Their energy is going to open up and their mind, body and soul is going to be aligned, and then the soulful joy and happiness is going to come towards you. And for my people who are seeking this here reading for love and relationship, I feel that you were held from your partner. In some of the cases I feel there was deception, there was cheating happening, or might be you were suspicious with regard to your partner because you had seen some kind of communication happening, and so you were in doubts. And initially also I feel Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday you're very stressed with regard to this doubtful situation that you have, but I feel that it is more in your mind than in reality. And as you cleanse your energies, your third eye chakra healings you can take, you will realize that you have a very happy family, and there are going to be get-togethers, happy times for you towards from the mid towards the end. And there is a need of heart chakra healing for yourself or for the person around you. So they say love is the heart of the matter. Your heart is the center within your physical being, attuned most to love. It's safe for you to love and be loved with an open heart as we stand by with perfect protection and guidance. So I feel your heart chakra needs healing, dear friends. So take heart chakra healings, take inner child healings for yourself or for the person around you. And if there is somebody who is suffering from COVID-19 infection, we have a playlist of 10 to 11 healings for COVID-19 on our YouTube channel. Go to the playlist and give those healings to the person who is suffering around you. They are going to heal their heart, and there is going to be happiness in the health also. Dear friends, climbing towards success. Wow, I feel that your heart chakra healing is going to bring success. I feel third eye and heart chakra healing. There are going to be opportunities of success for you. And there is another card, dear friends, over here. They say someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. I feel that it is possible that the person around you is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change, and so you feel stress around them. But I feel that with the third eye healing, or with the healings, this person can also change. So what you can do is you can mute the healings and put it in their room, and when they are going to take these healings, they are going to change their stubborn energies, and then you are going to feel blissful, happy, energized. So all in all, I can say that the end result of whatever situation you are going through right now is going to be a yes answer for you. It's going to be happy, it is going to be healthy, it is going to be productive for you. So I see only good energies for my Scorpio friends. So enjoy yourself thoroughly well and come out of a negative mindset and take healings on your heart chakra and vibrate high. So now we're going to move on to our Sagittarius friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Sagittarius friends. So for the Sagittarius friends, we saw that their energy was very beautiful and charismatic in the last week, and I was just loving it for them. And let's see how they've sustained their energy in the coming week. Okay. So in the coming week, I feel that the energies for my Sagittarius friends are that they are again seeking some guidance from a person. Okay, so there is a situation around my Sagittarius friend. Again, they are bringing their ego all the time. Oh my God. Or might be there is an egoistic person around them. In their family situation, or might be the team that they work in, there is some kind of a situation that you feel that you should be winning by all means in this situation, or might be a person around you always feels that should be winning in all the situations in this family situation, and they bring a lot of ego in the relationships. Might be it is your energy, or might be it is the energy of the person around you who is very egoistic and all the time trying to win an argument or trying to bring their ego in every situation. So now this can be in a work area also. For some of my friends, I feel that they were working on a project with their friends and building on a project, and then there is one of the person who has a very high ego and who just wants to be put their thing first, that no, this is going to happen in this way, and this is not good. If this does not happen my way, then the highway, that kind of a person. So now the zodiac signs of this person around you can be Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. All the zodiac signs are there. So the zodiac and earth sign is also there, Capricorn also there. So okay, so I feel in the coming week you are going to be communicating with this person, with the person, and you are going to seek some kind of a clarity on a situation that is with regard to travel or movement or a spiritual upliftment of a person. So you are coming in contact with a person who is these zodiac signs that I told you, and now you are taking advice from this person that what should we do in this scenario wherein I feel discontented with all that I have. I want to move towards something else. I want to move towards spirituality, and what to do that the persons that are around me, in my team, in my family, in my work area, these people are so egoistic and I am not such. So there is some kind of a person that you're seeking this kind of an advice from. Now in a health scenario, it is possible that you or a person around you in a family was suffering something in their health, and in the coming week you are going to approach to a doctor, or might be you have a conversation with them that how is your health, and clarity on their health situation. And you're waiting on the results and communications with regard to somebody's health. For some of my friends, there is a scenario. Let me see what the scenario is about. This is a scenario of healing that you're seeking. It can be in your relationships, in your health, or it can be in work, a movement or a travel in your work area. So in the coming week you are seeking clarity on this situation, Yes, for health, definitely you are seeking clarity from the spiritual healers or from your doctors, and you're asking that where is the health of this person going? Is this person healing, or is this person, what is it that, I feel a discontent with the kind of, procedure that is going on with their health. So, something like that. So in the beginning of the week, I see that you are very sharp with your communications, and there is a person around you with whom you are really communicating from. In the mid of the week, I feel that you are again started feeling some kind of a discontent with life, because the person around you is so egoistic that you all the time feel that this person is always dominating me, and very egoistic person. I just want to walk away from this person towards Himalayas maybe. And then towards the end of the week, there is some kind of communication that comes towards you. Might be somebody travels towards you also, and there is good communication which brings healing towards you, and you're happy with whatever results that you were seeking for. Might be somebody was unwell, and then also in some cases it is possible that somebody around you is not well, and they are making a very fast movement towards heaven. And their soul is just wishing to be released and move towards God. Then we have a card over here, dear friends. So that was okay. So for a relationship scenario also, I feel that there is going to be a lot of communication happening in the coming week. Egos and sarcastic talks also, some kind of communications happening in the coming week. And for the work scenario, I feel that some of you are asking for in your job, business, career scenarios, that you absolutely need an opportunity of travel and moving to another city, state, or a country. So you want clarity from your seniors on that. Okay, so over here I see mice. They say discord among friends or family. Yes, definitely that I was feeling that there is some kind of a discord, some kind of a communication that is happening, which is making you feel low, and might be you are also becoming very sarcastic. So be careful with your energies. And they say pay attention to your work. So in works area also, I feel that there is some kind of an ego clash that is happening. There is a person around you who is very strict, who is asking you that you were given this work and you have not done this work. So what if the situations at your home are like this? You need to pay attention to your desk, some kind of such situation. And child, for some of my friends, your child is evident. Okay, so might be your child is in teenage, and so there is some kind of a communication with your child that is making you feel very, very some kind of a discord with your child might be. So they say you care deeply about children, and they readily respond to your love. All children, including your own inner child. Okay, so you need inner child healing. Yeah, you have blocked yourself. You have blocked yourself for love because you need inner child healing, and so your communications become very sarcastic, and you operate from ego because your inner child is not healed. So they say all children, including your own inner child, require love, affection, and attention. We can clear and open our heart and schedule so that you can give more time and energy to the child who needs it. Okay, very important for my Sagittarius people who are suffering in their health. I feel that your inner child needs healing, your heart chakra needs healing. There have been situations around you, might be in past you had discord with your families and friends, and your inner child needs healing. This is a message that is coming very, very strongly, that you start taking those COVID-19 healings also if you're suffering, and inner child healing is really going to help you. That is there on our YouTube channel. In fact, in the list of the COVID-19 healings, I have included the inner child healing because that's a must. People who are falling a prey to COVID-19 are weak in their heart and throat chakra. So please take that inner child healing and heal yourself. So it's an up and down kind of a situation, some mixed energies happening for you. However, I'll say that eventually you will heal. Eventually you will heal with the healings. So there is nothing big to fear. So I wish you all the best. And let's move on to our Capricorn friends now, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Capricorn friends. So coming week for my Capricorn friends, let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Capricorn friends. What are the energies for my Capricorn friends in their coming week? Okay, so I want to ask, I want to take this card upright. So can I take it upright, dear friends? So, dear angels, can I take the Hierophant card upright for my Capricorn friends? So they say a yes to me. So it is a very blessed week for my Capricorn friends. A big luck on somebody in their family who is a senior, can be their father, can be their grandfather, and a blessing is coming, a healing is coming towards this person, or might be keeping the gender aside, it can be a female also who was in a high position, an authoritative position. I feel that for my Capricorn friends, can be their child or their parent or their husband. I see a Taurus sign person very, very evident around you. So there is a good news that is going to come for you were seeking for some kind of an opportunity of a business, financial benefit, or a good news, or a stability in the health of this Taurus person or your child. And I see that you were hanging on, you were waiting for some kind of reports or results, I feel, can be, and there's a blessing. If you were in doubts with regard to somebody having COVID-19 infection, or might be somebody had little bit of infection and they were isolated, I feel that big luck and destiny shift and blessing is going to happen for you in the coming week, as I feel that you have been taking healings from our YouTube channel, and so a blessing from a spiritual person is going to come towards you, and it's a blessed week for you. So yes, a good luck. And if you were seeking, okay, so let's take it one by one. So health wise, it is going to be a good news that is going to come to you, number one. Number two, initial start of the week, say Monday, Tuesday, I see you waiting for some kind of an information on this person who is Taurus sign. It looks very much evident, Aquarius or Taurus or Sagittarius, something like that, or an air sign person. I feel Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, or a Taurus sign person, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn can be. And so initially you're waiting, you're seeing, you're doing your meditations, your yogas, you're being patient, you're seeing the other perspectives of the things happening around you. And then in the mid of the week, say from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, something shifts in your favor and a big luck. Destiny shift, some money coming in, or something that you were stressed about turns around to be lucky for you. And then towards the end of the week, I see you feeling very spiritual, getting blessings from your parents, grandparents, and your ancestors from past life, and deceased loved ones are also blessing you. And so it's a very, very blissful week for you, a very blessed and blissful week for you. For some of my friends, definitely I feel that there was a situation of isolation around you. Might be your partner was not with you. somebody was not, or your parent was not with you, might be suffering in health, and there is going to be a reunion in the coming week. A blessing of reunion is going to come towards you, or might be they have healed, so in future you can seek some kind of a blessing. If you're seeing this for a business, profession or career situation, and I feel that you were looking for some kind of financial independence for yourself or for the person around you, I see that a good news is going to come. A destiny shift, an opportunity from a big company or an organization comes towards you or for the person that you were seeking for. This is going to be blessing for you. And if you were looking for an opportunity of manifestation of a marriage with a partner who is stable, secured, loyal, that is going to manifest for you in the coming week. Yes, if you were waiting for a visa approval, that can also happen for you. A big shift and some kind of an organization is attaching with you. It's a very blissful time frame for you. And the month of June, they are saying if somebody's health was a concern for you, so might be in the month of June you reunite with them, and the blessing of good health is going to come. Might be there is a healer around you and you're taking healings. It is possible you're taking healings from our YouTube channel, and that can happen. If you were wishing for the manifestation of childbirth, you will conceive in the month of June. Hand, yes dear friends, definitely in hand of help, assistance and guidance, and it is available to you from a divine person, a spiritual teacher or a teacher only, or somebody who is elderly, or might be from our YouTube channel. You can take these healings that I do with my hands, Reiki healings, pranic healings, and the healings that are available to you are going to help you come out of this situation. And there is a fair woman also over here, dear friends. So they say dealing relationship with a woman with blonde, grey and white hair. So this can be an older woman. So the blessings are going to come, or might be she's the one who blesses you. And if you were looking for an opportunity of expansion, this can be a woman on your mind. So this can be a woman from another country also. There is some kind of a dealing. Or might be she has colored her hair blonde. So this woman becomes evident in the coming week. Family, wow, amazing, beautiful. I feel family union and birds and a happy time. So they say this situation is rooted in an emotional experience with a family member, which we can help you to understand and heal. In your mind and heart, surround this person, yourself and the experience with calming blue light and many angels. So there can be a healing that comes in your relationship with this family member. Be open to the gifts within the situation and allow yourself to feel peace. Wow, amazing. So a kind of a family blessing is going to happen for you in the month of June, with the healings that you are going to take. Very, very beautiful, blissful time frame for you. It's a time frame of spiritual awakening and meditations and growth for you in the coming week. So enjoy yourself thoroughly well, my Capricorn friends. And now we are going to move on to our Aquarian friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Aquarian friends. So coming week for my Aquarian friends, how is the coming week going to be for my Aquarian friends? In the last week we saw that some release of their blockages had happened, and good energies, I was sensing that they had released their blockages and there were good energies. And let's see how the coming week is going to be. Okay, so I feel that my Aquarian friends have been taking the healings and they are weighing their options, and there are many opportunities that are coming towards them now. Offers, opportunity of stability, abundance, for relationship expansion also. I feel that there are people who are approaching them, There is new excitement, exploration, might be an offer of for marriage and settlement has come towards you from a person who is might be, you know, a bit immature, or might be a bit younger to you in age also. And for some of my Aquarian friends, it is possible that their child is evident, and some offer of expansion, or you know, some doing some kind of sports activity, or some kind of educative program you're seeking for your child, that is more evident for you. I see that my Aquarian friends are wishing to come out of their you know, small shell into outside world, and they are looking for expansions and partnerships. Now they are opening up, but I feel that, you know, there is rigidity in your mind still. I feel that, you know, there is rigidity in your mind. You are not being as expansive. You need to absolutely let go, release all that you're holding so tight in your energy, and being so possessive about a person, situation, or a place. And the moment you are going to release this, you know, that the possessiveness energy, the tight energy that you're holding in your chakras, you're going to be able to expand and see the new opportunities of safety, security, stability coming towards you. Let's see from the health perspective. I feel that, you know, you have been taking healing, so your health is rejuvenating. You're feeling some kind of childlike adventure that is coming into your body, and balance is coming in your chakras, and just a last bit of releasing is there. That energy is just there of letting go, and you can help yourself by doing some kind of charity also. I feel that, you know, at times you become too possessive and greedy about your money also, so you need to do some form of charity. The more you will do for your other people, the more expansive the energy will be for you. Okay, and in your love scenario also, in your partnerships, you need to give space. I feel that you become very suffocating, and that is the reason your partner starts to move towards other persons, and they start to seek new people around them, and they start to see more opportunities, because they feel that this person is always spying on me, this person is always you know, very possessive and suffocating. So that energy that you are giving is the energy of, you know, negative energy, so you need to come out of that energy. So I feel that for some of my friends, there is some kind of a communication has happened for you in the past week, and this communication of expansion, partnership, change, you are feeling is going to bring a lot of stability into your life. And yes, it is going to bring some kind of stability. Can be a manifestation of a home, can be a manifestation of a promotion, a job, a settlement also. There is an involvement of two people in this partnership, I feel. Yeah, so there is cracked cup, dissatisfaction with life. I feel that, you know, all the things that have caused you dissatisfaction of life, you need to release that energy. So over here also we feel that, you know, this is a card of kind of releasing, and this person is holding so tight to all this. You need to relax the energy, open up and release the things that you've been holding too tight, because there are new opportunities coming, and they say you will be receiving or giving a precious gift. I feel for some of my friends, the moment you let your energy flow easily, you are going to manifest this opportunity of abundance, settlement, stability into your life. Wedding for some people, I feel that, you know, some offers have come for healing in your wedding, might be, or might be you are being, if you are unmarried, the offers of wedding, engagement are coming to you, and you must seek these offers. So they say marriage is the union of two souls joined in love, mutual respect and commitment. It signifies a desire to deepen love over time, Your wedding day is a testament to your well-founded faith in love's power. Continually breathe life into the faith and love, dearest one. So you need to have faith in your partner now. There is healing in your wedding that is happening. So every time you don't go back, spying on them. So all the things that caused you dissatisfaction, you need to let go of that energy. So if you're going to take healings from our YouTube channel, forgiveness and letting go, that is also going to help you. So you can improve your chakras and your energy. And then there is a card of trustworthy guidance over here. I feel the guidance that you get from our YouTube channel and the healings that you get from our channel are trustworthy for you. Or if you've taken a reading or a healing from anybody, a healer or a teacher or a spiritual person, that is also trustworthy as well. You should listen to your intuition, because your guides are trustworthy who are connecting with you. So they say you've received a wonderful idea as an answer to your prayer. So there is an idea that that is striking you now. This idea is real and trustworthy. Wow. You can safely move forward with it. So I feel that one of the options that has come to you is real and trustworthy and going to bring stability in this partnership. So you should move forward with this. You can safely move forward with it, knowing that we are with you every step of the way. Wow. So trust in the divine, dear friends. Let loose your energy and trust in the divine plan. Trust in divine. There is some kind of an expansion, might be overseas opportunities also coming towards you. So they say you can safely move forward with it, knowing that we are with you every step of the way. Ask for and be open to receiving our support for anything that you need related to this idea. Wow. So anything related to this idea, some of you can be writing down your ideas, and while you will be writing your ideas, you will get more guidance. And there is a healing happening in your marriage, and also if you were seeking opportunities for your child's marriage, so this partnership which is coming towards you is favorable for you. So yeah, anything with regard to your child also, it is favorable, and you trust the divine guidance. So lots of love and best wishes to my Aquarian friends. So release all the blockages and let go of. Let go of is your mantra, and you can tell the divine while taking your healings that I let go of my ego self, I let go of my past, I let go of all that does not serve me from my body, and then you take those healings. So last but not the least, my very emotional Piscean friends, let's move on to your reading. And they are telling me let's move on to your healings, because my Piscean friends are being guided to take healings, and so they tell me move on to your healings. So next week also move on to your healings. So let's see what oh wow, victory, success, forward movement, and a Cancer sign person is very evident for you. So many cards, oh my god. So okay, I see that some kind of a completion that you were waiting on is on your mind, a completion of a chapter, and a reconciliation might be, or re-evaluation of a relationship or a situation around you was on your mind in the last week, and you were contemplating this situation. For some of my friends in a relationship, it can be that this situation was with regard to a Cancer, Piscean, Scorpion person, and you were looking for a reconciliation with them, and you're contemplating whether you need to move forward with them, or you need to reconcile with them, or you need to move away from them, that kind of a situation. For some of my friends, you were contemplating a second opportunity which came to you to move to another city, state, or a country, and now this opportunity you are really thinking of whether you should be pursuing it or not. That is something that you are evaluating. For some of my friends, the health of a person was on your mind, and You were wishing for some kind of a rebirth in your energy or their energy. Now let's see in the coming week what are the energies for you. I see that the situation of isolation is there in the start of the week. There is somebody, might be because of the COVID-19 situation, or might be because of some other situation in your life. This person is in isolation, is not in a talking mode with you, is keeping a distance from you, or you are in isolation for a certain time frame. And then so I see Monday, Tuesday, you are in isolation and you are taking your meditations, your healings, and you are seeking all the answers from within you, all that you're contemplating, that you should be proceeding forward with this relationship or this business opportunity or this studying opportunity that is coming for you, your child, or your partner. And then from Tuesday, Wednesday, I see you working very diligently on your projects. It can be in your work area, it can be in your relationship area. I see you enjoying your work. You're working, either you're again thinking of building a relationship with the person that you were seeking commitment with, or with regard to your studies, educative programs, or your work scenario. I see you being very much involved, and with this kind of a scenario, and you are working very hard diligently. So you are working and you're enjoying yourself on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday, I see that a person on your mind becomes evident. Now this person can be younger to you in age, and there is some kind of communication that happens with this person, might be. And also I see that you're working very hard on your health, and so you're going to rejuvenate your health in the coming week. For some of my friends, absolutely, I see that they are taking a lot of healings, and something new is going to emerge in their health. A big shift in destiny, a big health change is going to happen for them. And for some of my friends, if they were contemplating an opportunity of financial benefit or stability, safety, security in their relationships or in their work area, yes, there is an opportunity that is coming towards you. It is a slow moving opportunity, but it guarantees stability and success. And even in the relationship, that the hard work you're putting in towards this partner who is not with you, it is a kind of I feel that it is going to be worth. I feel that they are worth putting in this hard work, and it is finally going to mature up for you in the divine timing. So all in all, I can say that the coming week is going to be very happy, successful, prosperous. I see money coming towards you. I see good health. I see you working very diligently. Yes, from Tuesday onwards only, you're going to pay a lot of attention on your work. Might be even with your partner also, you are going to think that whatever we are building, we are going to go on building that. And the month of December has become evident over here. Might be an opportunity of financial benefit or a movement came to you in December 2020 that can manifest in this month. Or might be there is a movement or a travel that you are seeking that happens for you in 2021 December. In whichever way, there is stability is going to come towards you in the month of December. And then we have a card over here. They say involvement with law. So something is going to happen in the coming week wherein we see the involvement of law also. So some of you, if you were fighting court cases and you were looking for justice for yourself, I see victory, success, justice. And this whatever case that you were fighting for your property, for your money, for justice is going to come towards you in the coming week. Assertiveness, dear friends, you have to be very assertive for whatever you want to pursue in your life. If it is with regard to your relationships or your work scenario or anybody you're dealing with, I feel that your brother can also be evident, or your child, education of your child can be on your mind. So they say this situation can be healed gently and with love, as you've requested. Yes, yet there's also a need for your strength and truthfulness with the other people involved. We will stand right behind you as you speak your truth, giving you strength and guiding your words. Yes, very important for my Piscean people that often they're always thinking of the emotions of the other person, and they're putting themselves down, and they are never speaking their truth and keeping everything in their heart and mind, and not speaking the truth to the people around them. In the coming week, you need to be very assertive as to what you want, and you need to put your things clearly in front of the people that are there you're dealing with. And I see safety, security, stability, as your lower chakras are healing with the healings that you've been taking from our YouTube channel, and a rebirth is happening in your life. For many of you, chances of reconciliations, rebirths are happening. Your body is going to rejuvenate, and then a reconciliation and rebirth is going to happen in your life. Very, very beautiful week for you, a week of victory, success, name, fame, recognition, and you working very hard on your health and your other areas of life also as well. You're connecting with spiritual people, so expect only the best. So lots of love and best wishes to all my friends on Healing Souls. Bye bye, take care.